Hello to all of you. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to install EViews in your system. Basically, EViews has got three editions. One, University Edition. Second, Academic Single User Windows. Third, Student Version Lite. So all those who are research scholar, you are having a good news that the Student Version Lite is free for 2 years as per the company's policy. There are some restrictions, that is how much series it can handle. Maximum is 1500 and the total number of observations it can handle is 15,000. So that is the only restriction in student version lite. Now to install eViews, first of all, you will have to go in Google and you will write down eViews student version free download. Two links will be generated. Make sure that you go on this eViews 12 University Edition. Now, as soon as you will go there, you will have an option of free download. Just click on it. After this, fill up the details which are required. So say for example, I'll say Dhaval, my name, Maheta, my email, my phone number, my university, whatever is it, and I'll have to write down student. This is just a normal check that you are not a computer. You'll have to click here. Make sure that you give your proper email. By doing this, you will get a link for download as well as you will get the link for installation. Both the link you will get. That is a serial key will also be generated on your email, as well as you will get the link for installing the software. When you will run this, when you will run the link, the exe file will be downloaded. And when you will run this exe file, it will ask for the serial key, which is already available in your inbox of your email. So this is the way you can activate the eViews on your system. Thank you.